Hi everyone, and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through connecting ChatGPT with LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your internet browser and search for GPT for LinkedIn or GPT LinkedIn extension. Look for the link to the Chrome Web Store, typically titled Web Chat GPT for LinkedIn. Click on the link to open the extension page, then press the Add to Chrome button. When prompted, select Add Extension to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, click on the puzzle icon in the upper right corner of your browser to access your extensions. You'll see the Web Chat GPT for LinkedIn extension listed there. And that's it. You're all set to use ChatGPT seamlessly with LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.